Aging isn't just time passing quick. It's a biological process scientists are finally learning to slow down.
Every year, researchers uncover new ways to rejuvenate the body from the inside out.
And now, a groundbreaking study suggests aging may be more reversible than ever thought.
This presentation will show you the complete roadmap to slowing, stopping, and even reversing aging.
We're covering diet, exercise. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do to extend your health span. Because it's not just about living longer, it's about living younger.
Let's begin with what aging really is, at the cellular level, and how tiny mistakes inside our cells slowly accumulate over time.
But the good news, these mistakes can now be slowed and in some cases reversed.
One major cause of aging is cellular damage from stress, toxins, and everyday metabolism. Over time, this damage leads to chronic inflammation, the silent driver of aging.
Inflammation accelerates wrinkles, joint pain, and diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Another key factor is telomere shortening, the protective caps on your DNA. When telomeres get too short, cells stop working and enter senescence.
Senescent cells don't die. They stay in the body, causing more inflammation. This creates a vicious cycle that speeds up aging from the inside.
Mitochondria, our energy factories, also weaken with age.
We feel this as fatigue, slowed metabolism, and reduced recovery. Next is glycation, sugar molecules sticking to proteins in the body.
Glycation stiffens skin, arteries, and joints.
Oxidative stress also accumulates as the body burns energy.
Toxins from food, pollution, and stress add even more pressure on your cells.
Your stem cells also get exhausted as you get older.
Muscles shrink, bones weaken, and the immune system loses power.
But all of this is just the surface. The real root of aging is lost cellular communication. When cells stop receiving the right instructions, the entire body ages faster. This is where the newest discoveries change everything.
Scientists have now found chemical ways to restore useful function inside old cells.
And this may be the most important breakthrough in anti-aging history.
Because it means aging is not just a one-way process.
Your body has always had the ability to repair itself. We just needed to unlock it. And in 2024, 2025, that key was finally discovered.
A team of scientists published a groundbreaking paper in Aging US.
They discovered chemical compounds that reverse aging inside human cells. In just 4 days, old cells began acting like young cells again. This wasn't cosmetic. It restored gene expression to youthful patterns. Researchers compared the effect to turning back the clock by decades. The process involved resetting epigenetic markers, the switches that control DNA.
Epigenetic drift is one of the biggest drivers of aging. When those marks are restored, the cell regains youthful function.
This effect mimics earlier work from Dr. David Sinclair's partial reprogramming. But this time, no gene therapy was required, just simple chemicals.
This makes rejuvenation potentially safer, cheaper, and more accessible. First, eat mostly whole, unprocessed foods. The study found improvements in mitochondrial function. Cells showed better energy output and reduced oxidative stress. Inflammation markers also dropped dramatically. Even damaged proteins were cleared more effectively.
This opens the door to future anti-aging drugs.
Treatments that could rejuvenate skin, muscles, organs, even the brain, and maybe extend human lifespan by decades. But you don't need to wait for future drugs.
Because diet, exercise, sleep, and lifestyle changes can activate the same pathways.
The most powerful anti-aging tool you control is your diet.
Studies show certain foods slow cellular aging dramatically.
Let's start with the core principles of the longevity diet.
First, eat mostly whole, unprocessed foods.
Ultra-processed foods accelerate inflammation and glycation. Next, prioritize plants, especially vegetables and beans.
Beans are linked to the longest-lived populations on Earth. Fermented foods support your gut microbiome.
A healthy gut reduces inflammation and boosts immunity.
Some fruits have extreme anti-aging power.
Blueberries protect DNA and boost brain health. Pomegranates restore mitochondrial function by creating urolithin A.
Grapes and berries contain resveratrol, linked to longer lifespan. Avocados protect skin and reduce inflammation.
And citrus fruits provide vitamin C, boosting collagen formation.
Healthy fats keep your cells young and flexible.
Olive oil is proven to reduce mortality and protect DNA. Omega-3s from fish or flax reduce inflammation deeply.
Protein intake affects longevity.
Too little reduces muscle. Too much activates aging pathways like IGF-1.
Moderate protein with plant emphasis is ideal.
Sugar accelerates aging more than almost anything. Limit refined carbs like bread, pasta, and desserts.
Choose slow carbs, sweet potatoes, quinoa, beans.
Green tea contains EGCG, a powerful lifespan-extending antioxidant.
Coffee also reduces mortality when consumed moderately. Fasting is one of the most proven ways to slow aging.
Going 14 to 18 hours without food activates autophagy, your cellular cleanup system. It clears damaged proteins and rejuvenates cells.
Avoid snacking. Spacing meals improves insulin sensitivity.
Stop eating at least 3 hours before bed. Proper hydration keeps skin youthful and supports detox pathways. Drink mostly water, tea, and mineral-rich fluids. Limit alcohol. It ages the skin, liver, and brain.
Avoid seed oils high in omega-6. They fuel inflammation.
Too many calories accelerate aging. Stay slightly under maintenance.
Small calorie deficits extend lifespan in every major lab-tested species.
Eat earlier in the day. Your metabolism is stronger.
The pattern: whole foods, plants, protein balance, fasting, low sugar. Your diet alone can restore youthful biology.
Exercise is the closest thing to a real anti-aging pill. People with higher fitness levels live up to 10 to 14 years longer.
Let's break down the types of exercise that extend lifespan.
Zone 2 cardio is the king of mitochondrial health.
It improves fat burning, endurance, and cellular energy.
Do 90 to 1,150 minutes per week. Strength training keeps you young on the outside and inside.
After age 30, you lose 3 to 8% of muscle each decade. Lifting weights reverses this decline.
It boosts metabolism, bone density, and insulin sensitivity.
Short bursts of high-intensity training increase growth hormone.
This contributes to fat loss and improved cellular performance.
Daily mobility keeps joints youthful. Yoga reduces inflammation and stress hormones.
Small movements throughout the day add up.
People in blue zones move 6 to 8 hours daily, naturally. Do strength twice weekly. Zone 2 cardio 3 to 4 days a week.
HIIT once a week.
And stay lightly active all day.
This routine is proven to extend lifespan dramatically.
Exercise also protects the brain. Your memory, focus, and mood all improve.
It's anti-aging for your muscles, cells, and mind. And it's never too late to start. Sleep is when your body performs its deepest repair.
Adults need 7 to 9 hours for optimal longevity.
During sleep, your brain removes toxic waste proteins. Lack of sleep accelerates aging and inflammation.
A consistent sleep schedule can add years to your life.
Chronic stress releases cortisol, a hormone that ages your body. High cortisol breaks down muscle, skin collagen, and immune function. Mindfulness, meditation, and nature walks dramatically lower stress.
Even 10 minutes of breath work reduces biological age markers.
Sunlight exposure in the morning resets your circadian rhythm.
Protect your skin with sunscreen to prevent photoaging.
Cold exposure boosts metabolism and decreases inflammation. Sauna use is linked to 40% lower risk of early death.
Social connection also increases lifespan significantly.
Purpose and meaning reduce stress and improve longevity.
Quality relationships protect against cognitive decline.
Loneliness, on the other hand, is as dangerous as smoking. Healthy habits compound. Small actions add up over years.
The more consistently you follow them, the younger your biology becomes.
This is how you age slowly, gracefully, and powerfully.
Some supplements can support the anti-aging process.
Omega-3 reduces inflammation and supports brain health.
Creatine protects muscles and improves cognitive performance. Magnesium improves sleep, stress, and cellular function. Vitamin D is crucial for immunity and longevity. Glycine supports collagen, sleep quality, and detox pathways.
Resveratrol and quercetin activate longevity genes like SIRT1.
But remember, lifestyle is still more powerful than supplements. Supplements help, but diet, sleep, and movement do the heavy lifting.
Your anti-aging journey starts today, one habit at a time.